Good day. Can you tell me about yourself?
I am Conchita Balinsayo Navarro, 32 years old from Albay, Philippines, and I am single.
Do you have kids?
I have two. My firstborn is a girl which is 12 years old and a boy which is 10 years old.
How many siblings do you have?
I have 5 siblings and I am third in the order.
Tell me about your educational background.
I am senior high school graduate.
Do you have work experience abroad?
No, I don't have, but I have experience here in local, almost 5 years. My first employer, I do household chores and taking care of 11 years old boy. My second employer is also finished contract. I do household chores and taking care of elderly. And my present is I do household chores and assisting taking care of 3 years old girl.
Okay. And how would you describe yourself?
I am hardworking and trustworthy.
Do you have any tattoo in your body?
No,
Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
no.
And why do you want to work abroad?
To help my family needs and to support my 2 kids.
Okay. Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No,
Give me your idea. How can you take care of naughty children and children with tantrums?
I will be patient and understanding.
Okay, that's right. And lastly, what is your message to your future employer?
I will assure you that I am hardworking and trustworthy. And
Are you
I will
going-
treat your family as my own.
Thank you.